I want to talk about chicken pot pies for a minute. Did you know there is so many different ways, Teresa, to make a chicken pot pie?
I'm learning that with you.
There's some very easy ways, y'all, and then there's some that are a little bit more difficult. The kind that I make at home for my family is a little bit more difficult because it's definitely more time consuming, but you have to roll out your dough very, very thin, and of course that can get pretty tiring, rolling all that out. But and then there's easy ways you can make homemade chicken pot pie. At the restaurants, I don't know if we make it anymore, but that beautiful homemade chicken pot pie that we did with the puff pastry and the lattice. Oh, people loved it. So I'm gonna share with y'all one of those hurry up, easy to do chicken pot pies, and hopefully you'll like it. I can't.
It's all good ingredients.
Yeah, it's all good ingredients, but so different from my typical homemade pot pie. But here we go. I'm gonna take a can of chicken soup, and I'm gonna add like a cup of chicken stock to it. All right, come on, because we got to have something to brothy, to go into our pot pie. Oh, my nose itches. Does that mean somebody's coming to see us?
I thought maybe it was something for money.
Oh.
Which one is money?
I don't know.
But it does mean something if your nose itches.
I don't want to talk about money because I was with Carolyn Holtman this morning measuring for window treatments. All right. So I'm just going to incorporate the broth.
I didn't give you very much room in that bowl, did I?
I know, but that's all right. I can get her done. So there's no telling how many roasted chickens that our grocery stores cook now. So many people have the luxury of relying on a quick stop by the grocery store and grabbing up a roasted chicken, and
there you
allows
have
you
it.
it allows you to have chicken pot pie within just a few minutes.
Now that only asks for chicken breasts. This recipe
Chicken breasts.
only does your chicken breasts.
Okay, well, I prefer dark and white meat, but the chicken breasts are easy to do. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I have sprayed a casserole dish, and you just layer your ingredients. And I'm gonna start with the chicken. Layer of chicken, a layer of carrots, a layer of sweet peas. You can't have a pot pie without peas, can you? A layer of boiled eggs. And let's see, I think I may put a little salt and pepper in that. I don't want to get it too salty though. All right, I'm gonna pour a little of the broth over it. And then we're gonna start again with our chicken. We're just gonna make 2 layers. How about that? Layer of carrots. This is a good dish to feed your family if you're trying to get your children to eat vegetables. This is a good way to do it. All right. Oh, the eggs. We got to get the eggs. I'm not going to put all those carrots in there. Okay. So, I'm gonna pour the rest of our chicken soup and chicken stock over our layered ingredients. Okay, next I'm gonna take a cup and a half of a good biscuit mix. Now, I'm partial to my own biscuit mix. You probably have to, where did I put the box? Oh, here it is. This is my original biscuit mix, and it is out of this world. I mean, you couldn't get it in the grocery stores. You'd have to order it, but any good biscuit mix will work. Like I said, I just prefer my own. So, there you go. So let's see. I'm just going to use the bowl that our chicken was in. And how much biscuit mix did we use?
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups. And we're using 1 cup of sweet milk. So I'm just going to mix this up. And this is going to be our crust. Easy, easy crust. And this, you know, I really enjoy showing recipes that a lot of people have tried, you know, over the past, 25 years. And this one, what'd you say, Teresa, had 60?
They rave about it. Yeah, it's like it's a
Yeah.
big time 5-star rating.
Yeah. It's just so, it's nutritional and
it's quick. And
It's
it's not a lot of
quick,
ingredients.
and it doesn't cost a fortune.
no.
So we're just gonna mix this up real good, and then we're gonna dollop it on top of our chicken and all the other ingredients. So there we go. All right. So we're just gonna pour this on top. Kind of spread it around. And this biscuit mix is gonna get all mixed up with that chicken stock and that chicken soup. So you just want to spread it to the corners. Not corners, but the edges. Simple and easy. How long did it take us to make that? 5 minutes?
At the most.
Yes. And now we're going to take our butter, a melted butter, and I'm just going to spoon this all over the top of our biscuit mix. How much butter was that, Teresa? Was it a stick? I was going to say it looks like
My
a stick.
favorite.
It looks like a stick.
Keep pouring.
I am. I'm just going to keep on pouring till that
That's what the
butter
recipe says.
Heck yeah. Well, I wouldn't lie to you about I'm just going to kind of make some slits in it and kind of let that butter go into the biscuit mix. And we're going to bake this 350 degrees. Yeah, see that butter coming down. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. 350 for about 45 minutes, y'all. And we'll be calling it Hurry Up Chicken Pot Pie. Right?
Yes.
Hurry Up Chicken Pot Pie? Okay. So, in our oven it goes, and I'm taking this to our convection oven. And it cooks so fast. Look at that butter swimming. But it's gonna soak down in that biscuit mix, y'all, and it's gonna be like eating one of my homemade biscuits. Hurry up, chicken pot pie, y'all. I think you're gonna love it. You can't beat the ease of it. And look at that biscuit crust. Oh, it will take the skin off your mouth though. Right now it's so hot. But look at that. Looks delicious. Whose mouth is gonna eat that though? It's way too hot, Eddie. Oh, I dribbled some on the counter. But I don't know about other people's biscuit mix, but I know mine is incredible when you make biscuits using buttermilk. Oh, it gives it that twang. And that's what I'm making tonight to go with that pot of turnip greens that I cooked. I'm gonna cook some crackling cornbread. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this is very, very hot. Very, very good. That biscuit topping is so good, Eddie.
Looks
with
good.
that chicken stock in there. I could take the whole top off and eat it. So give it a try, y'all. I think you'll really like it. And the buttery taste is so good in that biscuit. I'll see y'all later. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.